So Parts Select has a good video on dealing with LG front loader washers to get at the drain pump, which is down at that lower left corner as you're looking at the machine. But their video is on washers that have a separate control panel up here above the door. Mine has the door and the control panel as a unit, and so the front comes off a little bit differently. So as their video says, you've got to take the top off in order to get to a couple screws for the front. So that part's still the same. You've got a screw in each back corner. You've got these little these brackets in there, kind of in like that, and you've got to take enough screws out that you can get those back corners loosened up. Now, their video says take the top off so that you can get the soap tray out. On this model, the soap tray comes with the top, so you're going to get this stuff out of there. And then you get to screw holes, 2 on each side. Those come out. And then with the back screws and these soap dispenser screws out, then you can push the lid back like they say and take that off. So I just pushed that back a little bit, and now I can lift that lid off of there. The whole point in getting that lid off of there is to get to these screws. You have to do those in order to get the front off, and you have to get the front off to get to the drain pump. Now, their video talks about a screw in that section. This model has 2 screws down there, but otherwise, what they say is correct. Once you open up the door and pull back the rubber boot matching the door to the tub, there is in fact over here on about here an electric latch which you'll need to unplug. The other thing though that the Parts Select video doesn't have is that over about here there's another plug. So once you lift this whole front up and lean it out, you're going to have a plug over here to unplug, and you want to just undo the little catch on the top and unplug it. There are catches on the side, but what they are doing is holding the other end of the plug into its little bracket. As far as I can tell, everything else in the Parts Select video is pertinent to a model like this that has the panel integral with the door. So, hope that saves you some time. Best wishes with your project. But above all, remember, Jesus is Lord.